Step 1. Disable Windows Search Service. This service can run over and over in a loop on your system background, causing 100% disk and CPU usage. To disable it, open Task Manager by hitting Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape keys. Go to Services window and click on Open Services down here. Now find Windows Search Service. Double-click on it and disable it. Hit Apply. Step 2. Disable Connected Device Platform Service. This is also an unnecessary service, that causing 100% disk usage. To disable it, again go to Task Manager, open Services window and click on Open Services. Now find that Connected Device Platform Service. Double-click on it. Set Startup Type to Disabled. Hit Apply. Step 3. Disable Superfetch Service, aka sysmain service. This is also an unnecessary service that causes 100% disk usage. To disable it, again go to Services window. Find Superfetch Service. Double-click on it. Hit Stop. Set Startup Type to Disabled. Hit Apply. Step 4. Turn off Scheduled Disk Optimization. Open this PC. Right-click on your OS drive. Open Properties. Select Tools window. Click on Optimize down here. Now select Change Settings and uncheck this option. Hit OK. Step 5. Set Power Option to High Performance. This step will also improve your gaming performance. Open Control Panel. Set View by to Small Icon View. Open Power Options window. Check the High Performance option. Step 6. Change Chrome settings. As you guys know, Google Chrome is the most optimized, lowest memory using browser. Open Google Chrome. Go to Settings. Select Privacy and Security. Click on Cookies and Other Site Data. Uncheck this Preload Pages setting. Step 7. Check errors on disk. Open this PC. Right-click on your OS drive and open Properties. Click on Tools window and hit Check to find any errors in your disk. If you find any errors, let me know down in the comment section. Step 8. Restart your PC to fully apply those settings. Bonus tip. Update your Windows and drivers. Updating Windows and drivers surely optimize your PC to its maximum potential.
Okay.
That's it for today's video. Destroy that like button now.